You've tried to quit before. You said tomorrow. Then tomorrow became next week. Next week became never. Here's the truth. Breaking a bad habit isn't about willpower. It's about rewiring the loop your brain is stuck in. And it can start in 7 days. Days 1 and 2. Identify the trigger. Every bad habit has a trigger, a feeling, a time, a place. Stress makes you scroll. Boredom makes you snack. Loneliness makes you go back to things you said you'd leave behind. This week, every time the urge hits, pause. Write down what you were doing, feeling, or thinking right before it. Days 3 and 4. Replace, don't remove. Your brain doesn't like empty space. If you rip out a habit and leave nothing there, it will pull you right back. So swap it. Craving a cigarette? Go for a 2-minute walk. Want to doom scroll? Pick up a book for 5 minutes instead. The replacement doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to interrupt the loop. Days 5 and 6, control your environment. Willpower is weak. Your environment is stronger. If the cigarettes are on the table, you'll smoke. If the phone is next to your bed, you'll scroll. Remove the cue from your space. Put friction between you and the habit. Make it harder to start. Your environment should be working for you, not against you. Day 7. Don't aim for perfect. Aim for aware. 7 days won't erase years of wiring, but it will prove to your brain that change is possible. Habits built you. Habits can rebuild you. The only question is, which ones are you feeding? If this hit, subscribe. New mindset content every week. See you in the next one.